India's industrial sector was still largely controlled by the British in 1920. Most metal furniture came from Britain, especially steel and iron beds, filing cabinets and institutional desks. Indian artisans were still focused on wood, cane and handcraft traditions. 1921 saw continued British imports, but something new was brewing. Indian industrialists were starting to eye opportunities in manufacturing. The Tata Iron and Steel Company, already producing raw steel in Jamshedpur, began supplying more material domestically. Not much changed in terms of visible furniture output in 1922, but more railway expansion brought more demand for durable metal furnishings. British companies like Godrej and Boyce, founded earlier in Bombay, were still primarily in the lock and safe business. In 1923, metal filing cabinets and steel storage lockers were slowly becoming common in urban administrative centers like Bombay, Calcutta, and Madras. These pieces were made for offices, government buildings, and industrial warehouses. 1924 didn't bring a design revolution, but it did mark the slow rise of Swadeshi consciousness. The Indian middle class was growing, and so was a desire to support locally made goods. By 1925, a few Parsi-owned companies in Bombay, like Godrej, had started assembling basic office furniture using imported steel sheet and local labor. Steel desks, chairs, and file drawers began showing up in Indian insurance firms and post offices. In 1926, local fabrication workshops in Bombay and Calcutta started producing custom-built metal shelving, cabinet, and frame. These shops often combined angle iron, riveted joint and sheet steel with a raw, almost brutal aesthetics. 1927 saw a broader uptake of steel furniture in government schools and universities. Institutions like Aligarh Muslim University and Presidency College in Madras were outfitted with steel frame desks and benches. In 1928, some Indian rail yards began fabricating their own metal bank beds and lockers for staff housing. This was out of necessity, not design innovation. By 1929, furniture factories in Bombay began experimenting with full steel office sets made entirely in-house. In 1930, something crucial happened. The Salt March, led by Gandhi, sparked a powerful surge in Indian self-reliance. While that wasn't directly about furniture, the sentiment spilled over into manufacturing. See you in the next episode.